Hello everybody. Today in this video I will talk about top 3 affiliate marketing strategies that you can use and you should use when you are starting affiliate marketing business. I will go from the worst to the best strategy. Please stay tuned till the end and don't forget to subscribe to get videos like this. This will be full of value, I promise you. So let's go. The first affiliate marketing strategy I want to talk about is called low ticket affiliate marketing strategy. It is the worst in a way that there is a little commissions or a little percentage earned for a lot of effort. So for example, one of the best examples of low ticket and best programs you can use is Amazon Associates, which you can see on the screen. So even if you sell things like games, you will get 20%, which is great, but the average commission is very low, between 2 and 5%. So you have to sell a lot of products in order to earn any kind of a commission or any kind of income. So if you want to scale this business, you will have to have a lot of traffic. The other example of low ticket affiliate marketing are called like CPA marketing, which is cost per action, where there is a very low commission, but for a very simple action. So people actually don't have to buy anything. For example, I will show you an example on the CPA lead, which is one of the programs. So basically you can filter everything by offer type. Let's say email submit and service. So somebody submits an email and you get paid. But if you can see on the right side, the payouts are very low, like $12, $95. So the best two that I know are CPA lead and I use them, and CPA grip, which is actually the same tool. You just go to my offers. You obviously want to target United States, and you also have like a free survey category. Okay, nothing there, but if they download something, oh, email zip submit, that's the one I was looking for, sorry. So basically the payouts are, you can even not see in this black background, so around 4 cents, which is like bad, but if you can order this the other way, and you will see that you get 4 cents. That's why the CPA lead is a better program. One of the programs I forgot to put here is called Offer Vault, which is also CPA, but it gets a much better payout. As you can see, I don't know, if you lead someone to the 500 gift card for Adidas, you will get like $2.40 or whatever, and you can literally type anything here, garden, and search, and you will get like a professionally installed something from home and gardening. If you manage to get them on the phone or whatever, you will get $250. The problem with CPA leads, CPA grips, and all other CPA offers is actually there is a lot of competition, and usually that competition is very big. So it is very hard to come as a beginner. The other con of CPA marketing is low commissions. So if you want to, I don't know, earn $1,000 a week, you need to refer like 500 people, which is a big number. One similar low ticket product is called Digistore 24, which is also like a marketplace for where you can search for offers and promote. They are not usually very low ticket, but they are similar to affiliate marketing networks like ClickBank or Warrior Plus, but these ones have much more quality products than, for example, Warrior Plus. You have categories here. You can click any dating love. This is a very powerful program for example, His Secret Obsession, in which you can earn 90% commissions, but it's still like $29 or $30 per sale, which is the same problem. So what to do? You are a beginner, you want to make more money than, I don't know, $2 a sale. The other secret, it's not secret, but the other strategy is called recurring affiliate marketing, and it basically means that you refer people to some offer. It is usually a digital program like web hosting or email provider or a funnel builder or a page builder or WordPress plugin, whatever premium that is charging a subscription, like a monthly or a yearly or a quarterly subscription, and then you apply to their affiliate program, and they will pay you for that customer as long as that customer is their customer, a recurring monthly commission. So, for example, one of the most known funnel builders is called ClickFunnels, and they have an excellent affiliate program, which at the first you will earn 30% commission, but when you sell 40 to 40 customers, you will get 40% commission from that time. It's a nice offer because you can sell giveaway books. For example, .com Secrets book is free, just pay shipping, so it's a nice offer to promote. And but the best thing is when you find a way, for example, in make money online niche or in any niche, people need to build funnels in order to do affiliate marketing. So then you can say, okay, I will share my ClickFunnel that is already converting with you for free, and then when the customer that wants to get that funnel buys of ClickFunnels, you will get paid 40%. Stay till the end of this video because I will show you a way to immediately have 40% ClickFunnels commissions. So the other one is an email responder, but it's much more. So GetResponse is a email marketing software, but at the same time you can also build funnels in it. And from few months back you can even build the whole website, so you don't need like two solutions. If you use ClickFunnels, you will have to use something like GetResponse to get your contacts in. GetResponse is even free, up to 500 contacts, so it's a nice entry point for when you're selling affiliates program. And they have two types of affiliate program. I suggest you use the recurring program because it's long-term program, or if you want to start with like $100 per sale, you can go with affiliate bounty programs, which you should go only if you have already some following or email list or something, so you can promote to a lot of people. The next thing that is in recurring program niche, and it's very nice, is called System.io. It is a combination of ClickFunnels and GetResponse and much more. You can build courses in it. You can have email provider, you can build funnels, you can build blogs, you can sell products, whatever you want. It's free up to 2,000 contacts. And the best thing is it has 40% lifetime commissions and 5% second tier commissions. What does this mean? If you refer someone, you will get 40, and he buys System.io and he starts using it, you will get 40% of their monthly subscription. But if that person becomes an affiliate and sells to somebody else, you will also get 5% from that person as well. Sounds like a pyramid, but it's not. It's only two-tier. It's a nice thing to earn some money. One other program I want to show you has a recurring commission, but has a nice catch, and it's called Sendinblue, which is also an email marketing software. They have €5 or $6, I think, when someone creates an account. So if you refer a lead to them, you will get $5 or $6. If that user buys the subscription, you will receive additional €100. So this is not a full recurring because it's only one-time payment of $100. But the nice thing is that you can earn money even if people don't buy anything. The third, and I think the best strategy you can use, is so-called high-ticket affiliate program. What does it mean? It means that when you are selling more expensive digital products or courses, and you will get more commission, obviously. If you sell something for $10, half 50% is $5, but if you sell something for $10,000, 50% is $5,000. Okay, don't go that way. It's hard to sell for $10,000, but I will show you the benefits of using. One of the most known high-ticket affiliate marketing programs is called Legendary Marketer. It is actually a 15 days course. That is the entry-level product, which costs $7. I will put a link to review I made of Legendary Marketer, so you can see the whole 15 days, what it's all about. If you are interested to start a business, I strongly suggest you buy that. You can buy anything you see on in this video, you can buy from my affiliate links from the description of this video. So basically, the entry-level program is that course, which is excellent. You even have one-on-one call with a business advisor, and you can pretty much learn how to sell anything online and how to properly set your funnels and everything. So you don't have to be an affiliate of Legendary Marketer, but like I said before, and now I will show you, there is one benefit of that. So if you are an affiliate of Legendary Marketer, and there is a catch, you have to pay $30 a month to get these pro streams of income, then you can skip those 40 sales of ClickFunnels and get that immediately if you join affiliate program here. The best thing for the ClickFunnels, the best thing around this is that actually when you refer a lead to Legendary Marketer and they say buy a 15 days business challenge, in one of those days they teach you, I think in the third day they'll teach you how to build a sales funnel through ClickFunnels, and they suggest that they start a ClickFunnels 14-day trial. The best thing is that lead that is referred with you will get you as his affiliate. So if they buy ClickFunnels, you will get paid, not Legendary Marketer. So this is a great benefit. They also have this for Aweber, which is email provider, but unfortunately I'm not using it. So the same thing. When Aweber, when they refer somebody to Aweber, you will get paid, not them. So the other high-ticket affiliate program is also a course. It's a very nice course. There's a 6-part totally free webinar. Then there is an upgrade to 3 days business challenge where Jonathan Montoya is also teaching you how to build a sales funnel. And the good thing is that I have a review somewhere. And I will put a link where you can see the comparisons between the 15-day business challenge and 3-day business challenge, so you can easily decide which one you want to go. I strongly suggest you buy both. It's like $7 each, and you can check this webinar that is free. You will get every day. You will get one video which is full of value, how to build a funnel, how to get traffics, how to set your email autoresponder sequence, everything you need to know to start selling everything I was talking about. So if you want to sell Amazon products, you will need a funnel. If you want to sell CPA offers, you will need a funnel. So don't sell directly, don't put people directly through the affiliate link. When you get traffic for social network, don't put them directly to your affiliate link, but rather get them to your sales funnel, get them to give you your email address, give them something for free. Jonathan Montoya in his 3-day business challenge will give you an ebook which you can distribute for free to get your leads into the email marketing system, and that is how you will scale your business. They also have affiliate marketing. The basic commission is 50%, but if you buy the Freedom Breakthrough course, which is pretty expensive, $1,500, you will unlock the 75% commissions for life. One thing that Jonathan's program is nice for is that you can buy a white label of his course and use it as your own, so you will have 100% commissions, but then at that moment you will have to work, you will have to sell. Legendary Marketing and Freedom Breakthrough is good for the beginners, because when you send them the leads or even sell the entry-level program or some of the smaller upsells. Legendary Marketer has a lot of small upsells. For like $14 you can get a marketers club with lots of value. Then they teach you the traffic methods, the paid traffic methods and everything. That is what I wanted to share today with you about the 3 top best strategies in affiliate marketing that you need to use. As I said, the worst is CPA and low ticket. The second best is recurring programs where you earn monthly, month after month, and your business will grow exponentially. And the third, which is I think the best, is the high ticket, because you can have only 2 or 3 customers and earn up to 2, 3, 5, 4 or even 5 and more $1,000 a month. That's it for this video. I will put the next, which you should watch, which is the 7 top high ticket affiliate programs that I didn't talk about here. Some of them I did, so go and check it out, and see you on the other side.